Welcome to another episode of Did It Fail, where I show you my model on my build plate and you decide if it failed before I actually tell you. Let's go! What is up, guys? I hope you're having a great day today. So today I'm going to show you the latest model that I am printing and you tell me if it failed before I actually show you. So today's model is Cast and Play's latest model that's out called Frost Giant, and this was posted up on Gumroad recently and I decided to take a look at it for one of my new upcoming series. Look out for that soon. So here is the model on the build plate with the supports added. Just so you know, the supports that I have used are light supports. I always print with light supports and I do not put a sphere at the tip of the supports. So take a look at it. You have 5 seconds to decide in your mind if you think this model failed. Take a look. So here is a look at it at about 50%. So did it fail? Well, guess what? It didn't. It printed spectacularly. All of the supports that I used worked out pretty well. I didn't see any blemishes at all. The print came out really clean. Take a look at how it came out. So this is a Frost Giant, so we have a little bit of white speckling going on there. It is a really nice model, and if you do like this, check out Cast and Play's Patreon and on Gumroad. Keep in mind, this is not a sponsored video. I was not paid to review Cast and Play's models, so just keep that in mind. So all views in this video is 100% my opinion. All of the supports that I have used on this model has been auto-generated by Chitubox. There are a few islands that I did go in and add a couple of supports, but they were very minor, and I believe that the print would have gone perfectly even if I didn't add those supports. So hats off to Cast and Play for developing a really great model that's very easy to print with just auto supports. So as I mentioned earlier, I have an upcoming series just based around miniatures, so keep an eye out for that. If you have a model that you're having problems with and you want me to take a look at it and try to print it and it always fails for you, please leave a comment below. And if you like this video, please hit like and please consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit that bell right there so that you'll be notified when I have new videos out. Have a good one and happy printing.